Hello guys, stock markets doesn't just trend all the time. It goes through a cycle of consolidation and trending phases simultaneously.
So whenever this consolidation happens, it is very important as a trader you understand the psychology behind what is happening in this consolidation and breakouts. By understanding the psychology, you will be ready for next phase of consolidation or breakouts.
So in this video, we'll break it down using Nifty and Bank Nifty as examples and what are all the clues we need to look for where the weakness is starting, all these things. Plus, we'll also check out the key levels we need to watch for. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dilip. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's take Nifty for example. If you observe in this area, Nifty has been in consolidation for 5 days and there was a breakdown side and price is trying to go for a pullback. From this day onwards, the first 1 hour itself is continuously breaking higher highs. So this indicated buyers are very strong here. First 1 hour high has been broken. Here, first 1 hour high has been broken. But if you focus in on this day, 25th March, what happened? First 1 hour high has not been broken. There was a strong rejection from this point, and the first 1 hour low has been broken.
So this is the first sign where the sellers are trying to regain control of the markets.
For any kind of up move, you need to be watching for this. So this is the area where buyers couldn't able to make a higher high above this. So for any kind of further up move, you should have watched this. But again, the day low has been broken. Even on the next day also, the day low has been broken on this day. And on this day, if you focus here, the day high has been broken. And because this is the P profile, there was a strong opening. But again, there is a strong value here. So this value attracts prices. Prices came down and it has not touched, but at the same time, it has not even broken the first 1 hour high. So again, this high itself is still intact. So all these things indicated that buyers couldn't able to make a higher high above the 25th March high. So again, prices went into a consolidation. The day low itself has been broken, indicating sellers were able to control. And then if you focus, this is the day where P profile has formed, and this P profile low itself has been broken on 1st April, and a strong down move was there. So where the multi-day balance itself is starting, it's somewhere around this area. So if at all prices gets accepted, let's say from this area, the buyers whoever are there around this P profile or in this area, whoever have gapped up, they will try to take control to make a slight higher highs. So will it break this high? That's a different question. The price is making a pullback around this area after a breakout, and it's very normal prices again comes back. So again, what we should be looking for tomorrow or day after tomorrow is that this area somewhere around 23,550 to 600 levels. So till this area is intact, don't expect prices to just like that go on 30 minutes. Nifty itself is below 50-day exponential moving average, and if you look at today especially analysis, the opening itself is below the previous day low. Sellers have opened the market, but at that point of time buyers took the control and a day's high has been broken. If you go back to my previous videos, I have multiple times mentioned that these open lows, whenever prices opens outside value area, they're more likely they get revisited. But at the same time, today prices after opening, it got rejected. Now this rejection itself is because of the a buying tail around this area in market profile. So these buying tails, they act as good support areas. So because of that, prices went up. Let me assure you, till the prices doesn't go above 23,550 to 570 levels, sellers will come again. Nifty has to come down to this open low, and it has to test the imbalances. Market is always a balancing mechanism. The blue band area is where the imbalances are. So market like to test out. If it prices again gets accepted below 23,100 levels, then easily again you will see prices going for 23,020 levels, and much lower levels is very much possible. This is a classic example where there is a consolidation and a breakdown. So this is with Nifty, guys. If you take bank Nifty for example, it's a totally different thing from what we have seen in Nifty. So for almost 8 days it has been in 1,000 point range. This is the multi-day balance low, though there is a buying tail here. This itself represents an imbalance because there is a strong rejection, so price is getting rejected around this area, which I also have mentioned this in my last video. So what happened again, the first weakness itself has appeared around 25th March. The low itself has been broken. Here also if you focus, the first 1 hour high has not been broken. So on next day what happened, buyers attempted to take the prices above this high, but what happened, there is a failed auction here. So because of this failed auction, what happens, buyers whoever have tried to push the prices upside, they failed. So the prices breaks the other side of the IB, prices extends by 100 to 200% range extension. So here almost 150% to 200% if you combine on the next day, it has extended. So next day what happened, because of the buying tail here, there is a rejection, and first 1 hour high has been broken. There is a P profile here. If you focus here, it's a clear P profile. And next day, like, the high itself has been broken, but it has nowhere sustained above this high. So that indicated sellers are still in control, and the first 1 hour low on this day, it has broken. Sellers are still in control. And next day there was a down move all the way to this buying tail, and this buying tail acted as a good support around this area. Even yesterday the buying prices got rejected at the buying tail. So there is some buyer around this area, mostly short term buyer. So these short term buyers, they tend to present themselves around shorter time frames, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes to 1 hour. So because it is the short term trader who is present here, the probability is that if long-term traders push the prices below these short-term trader averages, there is a high possibility there will be good down move of 500 to 1,000 points or even below. There are plenty of price magnets in Bank Nifty too on the downside, so it will go for towards that price magnet references. So you need to watch for how the price reacts when the next day opens around these short-term trader buying levels. Again, let me also tell you, in market profile, this is a very strong reference. Just a matter of time, prices will come down again, and whatever is happening, if you look at yesterday, the day high has been broken. So because the day high has been broken, it means buyers are strong. So today again there is a P profile. So for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, what you should be looking, again, I think the prices got already accepted inside this 28th profile. So because it got accepted, price is going for this value area high. So 52,000 itself is almost confirmed. But again, for any kind of further up move, you need to watch for these level, for 52,100 levels. Even then, watch for how the prices breaks in the first 30 minutes or 1 hour. So any breakout upside of first 1 hour and sustaining is very important. Then there is going to be a 100% range extension towards 52,400 to 500 levels. Or else, trust me guys, the prices will make a shake off. There will be a higher high, prices will come down again. So for shorting opportunities for tomorrow, watch the prices to sustain below 51,750 levels. Any sustaining here, trust me guys, it will come down to this POC, and it will also likely come down to 51,580 levels, and it will also come down to the multi-day balance low. 70% of the time prices comes down within 3 to 5 days.
This is with understanding the psychology behind the weakness and strength of a consolidation markets or even a trending markets, guys.
I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you're keen on learning order flow and market profile, click on the playlist which I'm attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.